Someday, when I'm awfully low, when the world is cold, I will feel a glow just thinking of you and the way you look tonight. You're lovely with your smile so warm and your cheeks so soft. There is nothing for me but to love you and the way you look tonight. With each word your tenderness grows, tearing my heart apart. And that laugh that wrinkles your nose, it touches my foolish heart. Lovely, never ever change. Keep that breathless charm. Won't you please arrange it? 'Cause I love you. With each word your tenderness grows, tearing my fears apart. And that laugh that wrinkles your nose, it touches my foolish heart. Lovely, don't you ever change. Keep that breathless charm. Won't you please arrange it? 'Cause I love you just the way you look tonight. Ooh, tonight. your lips next to mine, dear. Won't you kiss me once, baby? Just a kiss goodnight, maybe. You and I will fall in love. Some people say that love's a game you just can't win. If there's a way, I'll find it someday, and then this fool will rush in. Put your head on my shoulder, whisper in my ear, baby, words I want to hear. Tell me that you love me too. Some people say that love's a game you just can't win. If there's a way, I'll find it someday, and then this fool will rush in. Put your head on my shoulder, whisper in my ear, baby, words I want to hear. Tell me, put your head on my shoulder.
Don't let it get you. Don't let it get you down. 'Cause this final keeps on spinning round.
That's life. That's what all the people say. You're riding high in April, you're shut down in May. I know I'm gonna change that tune when I'm back on top in June. I say that's life. As funny as it may seem, some people get their kicks stomping on your dreams, but I don't let it get me down. 'Cause this final world keeps spinning round. I've been a puppet, a pauper, a pirate, a poet, a pawn and a king. I've been up and down and over But I know one thing. Each time I find myself flat on this face, I pick myself up and get back in the race. That's life. I can't deny it. I thought I couldn't, baby. This heart wasn't gonna buy it. And if I didn't think it was worth one single try, I'd jump right on a big bird and then I'd fly. I've been a puppet, a pauper, a pirate, a poet, a pawn and a king. I've been up and down and over and up, and I know one thing. Each time I find myself flat on my face, I pick myself up and get back in the race. That's life. That's life, and I can't deny it. Many times I thought of cutting out, but my heart won't buy it. But if there's nothing shaking come this here July, I'm gonna roll. I'm gonna roll. I'm gonna roll myself in a big ball and die. You can't deny. Don't let 'em take it.
If I could please have the students find their honorees and get a seat in the red chairs, please. Thank you. We'll begin here shortly.
This thing called love, I just can't handle it. This thing called love, I must get around to it. I ain't ready. Crazy little thing called love. This thing called love, it cries in a cradle all night. It swings and it jives, it shakes all over like a jellyfish. I kinda like it. Crazy little thing called love. There goes my baby. She knows how to rock and roll. She drives me crazy. She gives me hot and cold fever, then she leaves me in a cool, cool sweat. I gotta be cool, relax, get hip, get on my track, take a back seat, a hitchhike, take a long, long ride on my motorbike until I'm ready. Crazy little thing called love. Gotta be cool, relax, get a hip, get on my track, take a back seat, a hitchhike, take a long, long ride on my motorbike until I'm ready. Crazy little thing called love. There goes my baby. She knows how to rock and roll. She drives me crazy. She gives me hot and cold fever, then she leaves me in a cool, cool sweat.
Good afternoon. Welcome to your Honor Walk ceremony. I am Mark Tupper, Monmouth College class of 1994, and the president of the Monmouth College Alumni Board. It is my pleasure to join you all today. What a delight to see you all and your families and friends for such a special event. We thank you for joining us this afternoon. A couple days ago when it was 90 degrees, I decided that, I'd cut this short down to, maybe 5 minutes. But it's such a beautiful day. I thought I'd go off script a little bit. I'd go back to the original version. Don't worry, it's only about 25 minutes. Here's the, oops. It's just a copy of the Courier, I'm just kidding, okay. The Honor Walk was established as a tribute, allowing our seniors to publicly and proudly acknowledge the person who has been the most influential to them on their path to graduation. Each senior will present their honoree with a talent. This coin has an image of Wallace Hall stamped on one side and the college seal on the other. We hope each of you being honored will understand the importance of each of these symbols to our graduate. They celebrate the strong education that our seniors have worked hard to achieve and the iconic symbol of Wallace Hall that binds us to this great place and to one another. Seniors participating in today's Honors Walk have demonstrated a strong commitment to the college by making a gift to the senior class projects. Seniors were able to select family members, faculty members, or friends to honor. We know everyone is excited to have time together today, but when everyone is socializing, it's difficult to hear the ceremony and the announcement of the very special person being honored. Please respect this event by staying quiet while in line and in your seats. Also, please silence your phones. We appreciate your consideration. We ask that seniors and their honorees return to their seats after their names are called and they have received their talent. At this time, we will begin releasing row by row the seniors participating in the Honor Walk and their honoree. Ask them, I'm literally reading the script. Please proceed to the west side of Wallace Hall to line up and receive your talent. At this time, I'd like to also welcome Monmouth College's 15th President, Patricia Draves, and Dean of Faculty, Mark Wilhart, to the stage.
How are you, Zesty? Good, I'm good. Ready to go? You got Peter there? Zesty Lithgow honoring Peter Rule. Molly White honoring Todd Quick.
Emma Romano, honoring Vanessa Campagna. Ryan Bowman, honoring Vanessa Campagna. Ryan is also honoring John Huxtable. And Ryan is also honoring Monmouth College Professor of Biology Emeritus, Dr. Milton Bowman. Kelsey Holtgrave honoring John Huxtable. Colleen Burwinkle honoring Craig Burwinkle. Lauren Anderson honoring Angela Anderson. Madeline Henry honoring Alex Stinnett. Yeah, you go over there too. Riley Cooper honoring Alex Stinnett. Haley Sims honoring Alex Stinnett. Raul Guillermo honoring Stacy Lotes. Andrew Nichols honoring Mark and Kim Nichols. Riley Lasley honoring Sherry Lasley. V. Vavrovsky honoring Tori Vavrovsky. Isabel Gim honoring Gina Alcorn. Alexis Dalton honoring Marnie Steach. Paige Bergschneider honoring Marnie Steach. Jaden Craig honoring Kimberly Beard Craig. Jacob Miller honoring Toby Livingston. Yeah, okay. Emily Davis honoring Jake Dacus. Emily is also honoring Jessica Daniels. Patrick Streeter honoring David Streeter. Kendall Lewis and Savannah Robinson honoring Nathan Believa. Jeff Snetzler honoring Stuart Schaafsma. Jackson Dempick honoring Chad Braun. Delaney Schneidenhelm and Miranda Hersey honoring Tom Prince. Jordan Lance, honoring Heather Turnquist. Brenda Lynn Neal, honoring Janet Ugolino. Caitlin Carr, honoring Soli Lee Clark. Anna Castor, honoring Jean Castor. Leah Selquist, honoring Marnie Feldman. Jennifer Shimon, honoring Carrie Shimon. Delaney Rexroth, also honoring Carrie Shimon. Camille Prentice, honoring Justin Swearinger. Owen Wolf and Toby Turnquist, honoring Neil McCagney. Emily Lewis, honoring Heather Lewis. Madeline Bowley, honoring Brian Woodard. Megan Daly, honoring Tanner Johnson. Please give another round of applause to all our seniors and their honorees who provided them support and encouragement over the past 4 years. At this time, I'd like to invite Monmouth's 15th president, Dr. Patricia H. Draves, to the podium for some final remarks.
Well, that is my first honor walk, and what a nice ceremony it is to see the students recognize the people that are special to them. And I know several of them had a hard time picking just one here at Monmouth, and so it was nice to be a witness to that. So as we wrap up today's honor walk ceremony, I just want to take a moment in this beautiful windy space to reflect on the significance of what we've just witnessed, because it's truly one of the most meaningful traditions that we celebrate here at Monmouth College. So, it is hard for me to say goodbye to some of these students. So to our graduating seniors, today is a powerful reminder that no one gets here alone, right? Earning your degree is a tremendous achievement that you've worked hard through, right? Through hard nights and late nights, challenging courses, those moments of doubt and moments of discovery. But as you walk today, you walk not just as students, but as scholars and leaders and as people shaped by those who have supported and encouraged you every step of the way. And as you prepare to leave Monmouth College, at least the grounds of the college, you'll always be with us, take your steps and know that the lessons you've learned and the values you've embraced here will continue to guide you. We're so proud of you and your accomplishments, and even prouder of the characters that you are and the purpose that you have shown in becoming the people that you are and the people that you always will be becoming. And to your honorees, what a special day for you, right? Whether you're family or faculty or friends or athletic trainers or coaches or student work supervisors, your encouragement, your guidance, and your quiet strength have made the difference. These graduates carry your support with them well beyond today, right? And your impact will live beyond this campus. So this ceremony honors a bond that defines the Monmouth experiences, meaningful relationships that shape who you are. And at Monmouth, it's our people, and it's the experiences with those people that we share together that create this great community where support and encouragement and belief in one another is part of our foundation and our being. It's not just a place, it's a place of lifelong connections and relationships. So watching you seniors take the next step reminds us of just how it matters to have people in your corner and to be those people in other people's corners, right? The people that cheer you on, that believe in you, and that show up when you need them. So that kind of support makes all the difference, and it's a big part of what makes your experience so special here. So congratulations. Thank you for honoring the people in your lives, and thank you to the honorees for helping these students make it to today. And with that, I will say we'll conclude our ceremony and roll Scots.
Out of the tree of life I just picked me a plum. You came along and everything started to hum. Still it's a real good bet, the best is yet to come. The best is yet to come, and babe, won't it be fine? You think you've seen the sun, but you ain't seen it shine. Wait till the warm-up's underway. Oh, wait till our lips have met. Wait till you see that sunshine day. You ain't seen nothing yet. The best is yet to come, and babe, won't it be fine? The best is yet to come, come the day you're mine. The best is yet to come, come the day you're mine. Ah, come the day you're mine. I'm gonna teach you to fly. We've only tasted the wine. We're gonna drain that cup dry. Wait till your charms are right for these arms to surround. You think you've flown before, but you ain't left the ground. Wait till you're locked in my embrace. Wait till I draw you near. Wait till you see that sunshine place. Ain't nothing like it here. The best is yet to come, and babe, won't it be fine? The best is yet to come, come the day you're mine. Come the day you're mine. I got plans for you, babe. And baby, you're gonna fly. As long as you live, someone who loves you tender like I do, and you'll never find, no matter where you search, someone who cares about you the way I do. No, I'm not bragging on myself, babe, 'cause I'm the one who loves you, and there is no one else, no, no one else, and you'll never find. It'll take the end of all time, someone to understand you like I do. No, I'm not trying to make you stay, babe, 'cause I'm the one who loves you, and there is no one else, no. Miss my